including a single plant-wide overhead allocation rate. The Oakman Company manufactures products in two departments, mixing and packaging. The company allocates manufacturing overhead using a single plant-wide rate with direct labor hours as the allocation base. Estimated overhead costs for the year are $810,000. Estimated direct labor hours are 360,000. Excuse me. In October, the company incurred 20,000 direct labor hours. So first, compute the predetermined overhead allocation rate and round to 2 decimals. And so we'll start out with just verbally identifying the predetermined overhead allocation rate, which is total estimated overhead costs divided by total estimated quantity of the overhead allocation base. So in our case, the total estimated overhead costs are $810,000, and the estimated base is 360,000 direct labor hours. So if we divide 810,000 divided by 360,000, we get $2.25 per direct labor hour. So for every $1 or for every 1 direct labor hour, we need to allocate $2.25 of overhead. Requirement 2, determine the amount of overhead allocated in October. And so this already filled in the predetermined overhead allocation rate times the actual quantity of the allocation base will give us the allocated manufacturing overhead cost. So we can just plug in here, the predetermined overhead allocation rate is $2.25 per direct labor hour. We have 20,000 direct labor hours. And so if we multiply those together, we have 45,000 allocated manufacturing overhead cost for the month of October.